Press the menu button to view and switch between tools. On Vive and Windows hardware, it is the button with this icon. On Oculus Rift, it is the Y and B buttons. The right side of the menu shows options specific to the current tool in each hand. The Minimize Menu button can be used to hide the rest of the menu so only tool options are shown. The menu can be moved by reaching towards the gray projector under the menu and then pulling and holding the trigger. Point the laser at a tool in the toolbar at the bottom of the menu and pull the trigger to select it. The current left and right tools are marked with the letters L and R. Pull and hold the trigger with the laser on the toolbar to scroll through available tools. Pressing the menu button again closes the menu. Pressing the trigger on the side of your controller quickly switches to the last tool used in that hand. No need to open the menu.